moving forward with question number 3. Put the correct sign. You see here question number A, B, C, D, E and F. All these solutions you can do in somewhere rough, and signs you will put in your textbooks itself, and G, H and I you will do in your maths fair copies. You already know how to put the correct sign in the given fractions, right? Now it is not mentioned here LCM or cross multiplication method. Any method you can prefer, means whichever method you know very properly, you can use that method. If you know LCM method properly, do with that, or else you can do with cross multiplication also. Only one among the given I will explain you, and remaining all you have to do on your own. Any method you can follow to tick the correct side which one is greater. Clear? So I'll explain you D. Rest all you complete on your own. Simple sign you have to put which one is greater. So already I have explained many clips for 1 and 2. Now same method, any one you can solve. LCM also or cross multiplying also. So 3D I will explain, remaining do on your own. Question this is. So first of all, whenever the fraction, if it is given in the mixed form, whenever the fraction is given in the mixed form, we have to change it into improper fraction. Keep in mind, 8 2s are 16, 16 plus 7, 24. Okay, 16 plus 7, 24. Wait, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23. 16 plus 7, 23. Okay, then downside will be 8. So first of all, 8 2s are 16, 16 plus 7 is 23. Now here we have improper only, so no need to convert, it will be written as it is. After changing, what we have to do the next step, 23 by 8 will be written 23 by 8, and we have to multiply it with other side's denominator like this. After this, 19 by 25 multiply with this side's denominator. I am following here cross multiplication because that is only easy, I guess. Or if you know LCM method properly, you can do that method also, no problem. 23 into 25 in rough I will do. 5 3s are 15, 11, 2 3s are 6, 2s are 4. So 5, 7 and 5. Clear? So it will come here 575. Now 25 multiply with 8. 8 5s are 40, 0, then 200 will come. Now 8 9s are 72, 7 carry, 8 1s are 8 plus 7, 15. Okay. Yes, and then 25, this one will be 200. Now it is coming 575 upon 200, and here 152 upon 200. Which one is greater? 575. And this symbol we will put where? Towards 2 whole 7 by 8. Is it clear? So whenever we are asked to put the sign and it is not mentioned in the question by which method, you can follow any method you prefer. And I will suggest you to follow always cross multiplication because it is easier one. And if you feel LCM as easy one, or if you are interested doing that, that is also correct. Just take the LCM of 8 and 25, and then that LCM divide with 8, multiply with this, then again so on process you know. So D I have done, and remaining all A to I is to be done by you all on your own. Question number A, B, C, D, E, F in the textbooks itself. Solution do in rough, and G, H, I in your maths fair copies. With this clip, we completed exercise 4.1. All the questions which I have explained and shared in PDF that you have to do for sure, and the remaining questions which I haven't explained, that also you have to solve on your own. Don't leave them. All those questions should be there in your maths fair copies, and any doubts if you face, like suppose some answers are not coming or solution wherever you face problem, you can text it in the comment section. I will help you with that. Thank you all.